Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make photo collage for birthday in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the gallery app on your Samsung phone and then select the album where your birthday photo is located. Then click on the three dots at top right, select create, click on collage, go ahead and select your photos. Mark you can select up to 14 different photos, but to create a feasible collage, make sure you limit the number of photos you selected. Now go ahead and click on collage. And then hang on, you see the photo collage created like this. Or choose another photo collage format. Then if you choose this particular feature, then you should have it in this beautiful format. If you choose the infinite icon, then this is what you're going to see. It's going to reshuffle the photos. You see that? So go ahead and try this with your birthday photo that you want to use in creating photo collage. You can also adjust each of the photos to show it perfectly. And once you are done, go ahead and click on the save button at the top right. Then should say please wait. It's going to save the collage to your photo gallery. You can also change the aspect ratio. Then you can also create a beautiful photo collage image using different color like this. So you'll be able to use different color lines on your photo collage. To separate each of the photos you selected, go ahead and click on save to save your changes. Now go back to your photo gallery. On the gallery page, scroll down until you get to collage. Select it. Then you should see your photo collage like this. So each time you create photo collage, you just need to go back to the gallery and then select the collage album or folder to access your photo collage, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to make photo collage for birthday in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.